I am at the airport. I'm about to cry, actually. I am about to cry. Like, it's one of these moments where I will definitely have like the post-traveler's depression. This is the airport. I even see the fucking airplane. I wish I couldn't see him, to be honest. I really wish. Well, everything that's good needs to end, doesn't it? Yeah. But at least the lady that did my check-in, she was so nice. She was so lovely. She asked me if I want an aisle seat or a window seat. I said anything. So she gave me a window seat. And now I will be able to like see Japan from above during the day. Yay. I'm so tired. I was almost sleeping there. I just arrived. I'm so tired. I slept through the whole flight. Oh my god. Oh my god. Udon Airport for the second time. I was here 2 weeks ago. Holy moly. I need to go with the train back to Terminal 2, where I arrived, by the way. And yeah, because my flight is from there. Damn. Oh my fucking god. Also, they took my lighter. I found a cool lighter, like, you know, the ones that open like that. And they took my lighter because it's not allowed. It didn't even have gas in it. But still, it's not as bad as people make it to be. I think so, at least. I don't know, I was here only for transfers, so... Oh, actually it was Terminal 1. Then where did I travel to Terminal 2? I don't understand. Bro, I was just at some shops and China is so cheap. China is so cheap. I paid like half of the price of what things cost in Poland. Damn. I love East Asia. There is absolutely nothing to do here. Like, literally, I couldn't even find a restaurant. Finally, I found one, but like, I am a very picky eater, so like, it's hard. So I ate something, and now I'm just like going around because like, I have a 12-hour flight waiting for me. I don't want to sit. Yeah, this is the map. It didn't help. Absolutely. And yeah. Basically, oh my god, I'm so exhausted. But I was so sad that I am leaving Japan. I fell in love with that country. Oh, you can see my flight from here. Guys, I just woke up. I slept here. Oh my god, I slept for 2 hours. So it's not a lot, but that's okay. At least the time skipped. So yeah. I just love it. I just saw a new bruise. Oh my fucking god. I look like as if I was fucking beaten up. I don't know. But I wasn't. It was just me. Fucking tripped. Because I had high heels. Like 10 centimeters. And roads there are not walkable. It's 7 a.m. I just came out. I remember this airport. I spent here fucking 16 hours. Okay, so right now I am going to the place I will have my flights back from, and somehow I need to survive like 15 hours, but like I'm so jet lagged, I don't want to do anything, like literally. And also I miss my Japan. I miss my Japan trip. I want to go back. I just ordered some McDonald's and I'm going to eat this. And I'm going to journal because I have a week of being in Tokyo, not written in my notes. So I need to do that. I will just chill in some random park nearby. Because still, I am so fucking jet lagged. Oh my god. If you don't know what jet lag is, basically, I left Shanghai at like half an hour after midnight. I arrived here at 7 a.m. But somehow my travel lasted for 13 hours. And like the time zones are killing me, literally. Okay, so about the trip, because I'm finally not jet lagged and I am not as tired as I was. Oh my god, I will miss Japan. I love Japanese food, I love Japanese music, I love Japan, I love everything about it. I love people that I met there. And oh my god, I will miss it, but I will definitely go there. And also I arranged already a trip to China because I met many people from there, and yeah, and also I got invited to go to LA, to Sicily. Yeah, I love meeting new people, like it's amazing. Guess who just arrived home? I can see my mother there. Oh my god. It was a long time. Welcome. I just got back to my house. I finally had some rest. And yeah, let's talk about my trip to Japan. Because right now I have like the post-depression phase. Absolutely. I want to go back so badly. And also like I loved it. So the next year I am thinking of like this year I will go to uni, but it's just something to kill some time. Then I will figure out how to make some money. I will make some money and I will probably go backpacking for like half a year or something. Yeah, I think that would be my plan. And I am planning to go to China next year, South Korea, Japan again, like Indonesia, definitely. And yeah, by the way, isn't my countryside home, family home beautiful? Like this place is amazing. You can tell what inspired me as a person and stuff like that, like why I am so nature concerned person. Yeah, and also my hair is looking so good today. I love it. Yeah, so that will be my final words about just me and my trip to Japan. I miss it a lot, oh my god. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog. There will be probably 2 of them because I recorded a lot of things, so like I don't know if I will pack everything in one. I will be shocked. I will be definitely shocked. So yeah, see you guys. Back from Japan to this place, this scenery. Oh my god, light is so bright. Yeah, but